Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 21st, 2022. Let's talk about Block today because the market has been crashing. It's been going down seemingly almost every trading day. Well, I'm back in the spot. I'm going to talk about where I think the market and Block is about to go so that we can still be in position and win. See, that's one thing about what I produce here on this video, on this channel, is I come through and give us a heads up as to where we're going to predict where prices are going to go so we can win. The name of the game is to make money. That's it. And in order for us to make money, we have to be ahead of the game. We have to be ahead of everybody else in order for us to capitalize from it. So to those who are new, welcome to the channel. You guys have clicked on a great video because now you're going to see for the first time someone dropping price predictions on a price chart so that you can actually tell where prices are going to go without the confusion. So if y'all appreciate that, hey, hit your boy up. Give me some love. Hit the like button. Share the video. Also subscribe here to the channel. All right. Now check this out. I always come back and talk about what the price has done in relation to my last price prediction. So you guys can see that I did a video in Block right here, May the 5th. Here's the result. You can see for yourself. I was expecting the price in Block to go down and it did. So I'm not surprised. That's 21%. You guys can see that I did the video right here on May the 5th, and just a couple of days later, May the 9th, 4 days, 22%. And they say that you cannot win in the market. The way that we could win is by being ahead of everyone else. Congratulations to those who saw the same thing. Times has changed. We got a little bit more information on the chart now for Block. Is it about time for us to see the market grab some support and begin to go up? Of course. Eventually the market will stop going down, right? Eventually. It may not be right now though. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. Look at this. So you guys can tell that generally the trend in Block has been down, right? You guys can see it. We've been in a downtrend in the market in Block since April the 5th, 2022. So to everyone who bought on that day, you're like, what in the world's going on? When in the world is this price going to go up in Block? Because you're already down 43%. So let's see. Maybe we might begin to see some lift in this stock's price movement. Let's see. Let's see. Because I want to show you all that even though with all of the news coming out, stagflation, inflation, the bear market, interest rates rising, this and that, take a look at what the money is doing. You always want to pay attention to what the money is doing. Look at this. I want you all to take note as to what the market has done since May the 9th. Look at this. Let me help you out. I want you all to notice how price in Block has not really fell below $79, $80. I wonder why that is. Why is that the case? With all of the news that's coming on into the market right now, on television, on social media, why in the world is not Block falling below $80? It's simple. There's only two dynamics that goes on in the market. Two. That's it. Buying and selling. That's it. So following May the 9th all the way until today, or the last trading day, May the 20th, people have been buying the price in Block right there. The buyers are being very relentless in letting this stock fall below $80. Now, does it mean that we're free of selling? Like there's no more rough seas to go through? No, it doesn't mean that. But we're getting to play. This is the play. This is where the buyers are letting us know, hey, I'm not trying to let the price in Block fall below $80. I want to keep it above there so I can try to come in and make money. So let's keep that in mind. Let's look at this on the 2-day, right? You guys can see that recently here into the market in Block as well, we're not really trying to see the market fall. Look at this on the 3-day. Okay. Now, when you see this on the 3-day chart, have you seen where sellers are not letting buyers try to trade price above? Can you see that here? Because I'll show it to you. And you guys can see where the squeeze is. This is where the squeeze is. The squeeze is hitting the market in Block right here. So we got these areas right here. Okay. Now, For us, we have to determine which one of these lines is going to break. Is it to the upside or the downside line? Look at this. Okay, right here. This is where the problem is. This is where the buyers and the sellers are battling it out. Buyers control 80, sellers control 91.50, around that area. Okay. Which one do you think is going to break? Look at this on the 5-day. The buyers done a fantastic job taking it from this 5-day price bar to $65 to $89. They did a fantastic job, but now they run across some people who's trying to sell their block into the market. Now they are. Look at this on the weekly. What do you all think the price in block is about to do? Because the volume is increasing, right? We've seen the volume increase. This is it on the 2 weeks. Three weeks. 5 weeks. Now, seeing this on a 5-weekly time frame, a lot has changed. I'm not massively bullish in block in not one sense of the word. I want you all to think that this stock is massively a buy, because it's not. Looking at this from the 5-weekly chart, we're still trending down. We're not noticing buyers controlling this market. They're not controlling the market right now in block. They're trying to, but they're not successful yet. Okay. So this is the biggest thing that we can tell once buyers control the markets, when they break this level up here around like 100. Once they do that, then we understand that this is a very bullish, strong market. Until then, we got to be bearish in the long term. Now let's see what's going on though, real quick into the market in block. Look at it. I think that the price in block is going to try to go up in a very extreme short term, meaning you got to act quick. If you're looking for the price in block to go up, you got to be quick. This is not one of those plays the way you come through and simply hold and wait. If we see the price in block go from where we last traded on Friday, all your pitch around 92, that's only 9% run up. That's it. You might have to just take the bag there and be cool with it and not become overly greedy. Let's look at this on the 7-hour. Okay. Because I still think that there's some mixture going in here in between these two lines on my chart. I still see it. Now, when I show you all how strong this market really looks, I still suspect that the buyers are trying to lift price. They're trying to lift price. You know, that is my assessment, is for them trying to lift price. But in the midst of them trying to lift price, they might not be that strong. Okay. So I'm going to put on a price prediction, but like I told you earlier, let me really reiterate. This might happen short term. It might even happen on Monday, the first trading day. And if you guys ain't in that play already, then don't worry about it. There'll be other opportunities to where we'll be able to win in the market. Let me get this back over to the daily real quick, because I'm going to look for the price in block to go up. Now, am I looking for it to go massively higher? No, I'm not. In fact, I'm looking for it to go to the top right here first. Okay. Like I said, that's 8% to $90. 8%. Hey, I'm not here to dictate and grab and tell the market what I want. If they're offering me 8%, then I have to take it, and I'll move on to the next play. That's my first area. Okay. $90. Second one is going to be right there around like 97.50, and that's it. I'm done. No higher than that right now. because I really need to see the buyers come in and dominate the market in block. And I haven't really seen that just yet. I'm seeing instances to where they're trying to lift the market up, but they're not really being successful yet. And until I really see some success, some wins under the buyer's belt, then I will become a little bit more bullish. But until then, this is where I'm at. All right. It might not even be worth putting on a price prediction, but hey, this is what I'm seeing. Okay. So now you guys can go ahead and drop a price prediction real quick. Let me know, what do you all suspect that block is about to do over the next couple of weeks? All right. So make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.